Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from applications of derivatives. Okay, the question is find the condition that the line ax plus by equal to 1 may be normal to the curve a power n minus 1 by equal to x power n. Okay, so let us think that the line be the normal to the curve at p x1 y1 on the curve. Okay, then what we can say, that means as the line is passing through this point, if we substitute this point in this equation, it must satisfy. That's why what we are doing, I just substituted in the place of x x1, in the place of y1 is equals to 1. That is equation 1. And the equation of curve is what? My a power n minus 1 into y equal to x power n. Now I am differentiating the second equation with respect to x. So that first of all, what we will get? Y equal to x power n by a power n minus 1. Now we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x. So what you will get? 1 by a power n minus 1 is constant, so it comes out, and the d by dx of x power n is the formula. N into x power n minus 1, we will get dy by dx equal to 1 by a power n minus 1 into n into x power n minus 1. So what we will get? Dy by dx equal to n into x power n by x power x1 into a power n minus 1. Why here? A power m minus n is equals to a power m by a power n. In the same way, x power n minus 1 equal to x power n by x. In that sense, if you take, you will get this part as x power n by x. So from this, what we can say, this is y. See, y equal to x power n by a power n, x power n by a power n. So this becomes ny by x. Now this is the slope of the given curve equation. Now consider equation 1. From this equation, this is the line, right? For this equation also we can find the slope. How to do that? If a line equation is in the form of mx, y equal to mx plus c, this m will be the slope of that particular line. So let us bring this equation into that form. What we will get? y1 equal to 1 by b minus a by bx. So this is the slope m. So slope of line is always equals to slope of normal to the curve at point p x1 y1. Okay, so this is equals to this, what we got? Ny by x. So that you will get minus x1 by ny1, which you will get na y1 equal to bx1. From this equation, what we can say? X1 equal to na by b y1 and y1 equal to b by na x1. Okay, next what we will do? Substitute those values in equation 1. Here we got the x and y values, x1 and y1 values. Substitute these values in the equation 1. And equation 1, what we will get? A into na y1 by b plus b y1 equal to 1. Here in the denominator we are having b, so if you take LCM and all, you will get this equation, and if you take y1 common, you will get the equation 4. So again from 4, what you can write here? y1 is there. In the previous solution we are having a y1 value also. Now this y1 value must be substituted in the place of y1. Okay, so what you will get? In the place of y1 we will substitute bx1 by na. Okay, so what you will get? Na goes that side and this remains the same. Na square plus b square into bx1 equal to nab. This is equation 5. Now substitute these 4 and 5 equations in the curve equation. Why we are substituting? In the previously we thought that p of x1 comma y1 is passing through curve is passing through this point, right? So if you substitute this, whatever the condition comes, that will satisfy, right? Now substitute 4 and 5 in equation a power n minus 1 y1 equal to x1 power n. If you substitute, you will get this. This is the condition, so that particular normal becomes the that particular normal satisfies the line. That means condition that the line may be normal to the curve. means by that condition, when the previous condition we got, this line is normal to the curve given. Understood what we did? First we took a point on the curve so that this line satisfies this point. That means, say for example, Seema, here this is the curve, right? And a line is passing through it. This point is P1, P x1 y1. Point P is x1 y1. That means that satisfies both the curve and the line, right? That's why first we substituted in the line equation, and then we found the slope of both, and we got the values for x1 and y1, and these values substituted in the curve equation, so that point becomes the common point for the curve and normal to it, right? Understood? That's why we did this process. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.